Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Let's kick off with some football news. The Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, on Monday suspended Denzil Wilks as a member of its technical committee. More in this report.
Speaking with the TVJ Sports by telephone Monday evening, Wilks confirmed receiving a letter from JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung shortly after 4 p.m. earlier. It came after Wilks criticized the JFF's handling of Lorne Donaldson's contract non-renewal during an interview on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill last Friday.
So one would expect that at least there would be a pretense at a meeting of the technical committee, and if that meeting took place in the absence of the person who is at the center of it all, the coach Lorne Donaldson, then something is wrong. And I hope nobody now tries to tell me that the committee met and made a decision, because you must, by natural justice, meet with the coach.
When contacted by telephone on Monday, Chung declined to comment on the development. However, a source with knowledge of the issue, who declined to be named, indicated that the JFF believes Wilks' public utterances against the organization was seen as a compromise to his ability to make decisions on the JFF's technical committee. Wilks had no regrets.
The suspension really doesn't bother me in the least. All that I have said with regard to Lorne Donaldson's situation and his contract not being renewed has been said, and there is absolutely no retraction of a word uttered in the public domain. I stand by everything.
The former general manager of the Sports Development Foundation, SDF, did not pull any punches when quizzed about the decision by Chung.
What needs to be questioned is, one, whether or not the General Secretary does have the authority to do this. Two, what is the General Secretary and whoever is afraid of in terms of me sitting on the technical committee as they seek to replace Lorne Donaldson?
Wilks also took a swipe at other members of the JFF's technical committee.
That committee needs persons with the intestinal fortitude, and I could use another terminology, but we are on the media, in order to take decisions in the interest of Jamaica's football and not be lackeys to those who temporarily hold on to power at this point in time.
It is unclear whether the JFF will name a replacement for Wilks on the technical committee as the search continues for a new Reggae Girls head coach. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.